Want to know how to enter and exit trades at the perfect time, boosting your chances of success? This strategy will show you how. To get started, let's first understand the trading setup. We'll begin by searching for the black pica indicator in the TradingView search bar. Once you've found it, click on the black pica indicator option and adjust the sensitivity setting from 6.5 to 6. Next, let's add another indicator to our chart, the Klinger volume oscillator. Simply search for Klinger volume oscillator in the TradingView search bar and click on the indicator option. Here, we'll need to adjust some settings. Change the fast length from 34 to 35. Change the slow length from 55 to 50. Change the signal smoothing length from 13 to 16. Change the KVO option from line to columns. With these adjustments, our setup is ready to go. When using this indicator on short time frames, be aware that the stop loss will be very tight. This means that there is a higher chance of your stop loss being hit due to wider spreads offered by some brokers. To minimize this risk, consider using a broker like IC Markets, which offers zero spreads. This will allow you to execute pinpoint trades in market. Link in a description. Join now. Let's see how we use these trading setups. You are watching the euro to US dollar currency pair and you see that the black algo indicator is giving a sell signal. The Klinger volume oscillator KVO red columns are below the zero line. The Klinger volume oscillator blue signal line is in the bearish zone. The euro to US dollar currency pair is forming a bearish candle. Based on these conditions, you would place a sell order for euro to US dollar. You would place your stop loss order at the high of the previous euro to US dollar candle. And you would use a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. I've poured my heart and soul into creating this small video for you, and I would be incredibly grateful if you would take a moment to share it with your network. Every view counts, and your support would mean the world to me. Thank you for your time and consideration.